In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Smart Invert on your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you were ruminating whether to switch to Smart Invert or not, or you want to switch to Smart Invert but don't know how to actually turn on this feature on your iPhone, here are the steps that you need to take. So the first thing you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on your iPhone settings, you just need to scroll down and click on Accessibility. Once you hit Accessibility, click on Display and Text Size. So once you hit Display and Text Size, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, there is a feature called Smart Invert. The essence of Smart Invert is to reverse the color of the display, except for image, media, and some app that uses dark color style. So if your device is not in dark mode, or the dark theme is not enabled on your iPhone, with Smart Invert, you'll be able to turn on dark mode on your iPhone, except for some apps or images or media that are currently using the inbuilt dark mode feature. So let's see. You can see if this is turned on now, you can see the iPhone display automatically changed to dark theme. You can see. Then if you check through your iPhone, some of the application will turn to the dark mode feature, while some of these application will remain as they were before you enable the Smart Invert on your iPhone. So this is how to enable Smart Invert. So guys, if this video is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.